Hello students, let us continue the lesson. In the last class, you have learnt about the blood and its components. Now, let us learn about the blood vessels. There are different types of blood vessels in the body, and these are arteries, veins and capillaries. The picture that is shown to you shows the different types of blood vessels. The red color vessels, that is called the artery. So arteries are the blood vessels which carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. And this blue color blood vessel is called veins. The veins carry blood from all parts of the body to the back to the heart. Since the blood flow is rapid and at a high pressure, the arteries have thick elastic walls. But veins or the vessels, they have thin walls. There are valves present in veins which allow blood to flow only towards the heart. These valves prevent the backward flow of the blood in veins. Yes. Now, can you see the arteries divide into smaller vessels in the middle? They divide further into extremely thin tubes called capillaries. So, what are these capillaries? The capillaries join to form veins and arteries. Veins which empty into the heart, which takes the blood to the heart. Now, this is the diagram that shows the heart. The heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for the transport of blood. It helps in pumping of the blood. Now the heart is located in the chest cavity and its lower tip is slightly tilted towards the left. You can see the diagram of the heart. Now if you hold your fingers inwards on your palm, that makes your fist. Your heart is roughly the size of your fist. What will happen if the blood rich in oxygen and the blood rich in carbon dioxide mix with each other? To avoid this from happening, the heart has 4 chambers. The heart has 4 chambers. That is, this side is called the red color that shows the left atria. Left atria. There are 2 layers in the upper part and the 2 chambers in the upper part, 2 chambers in the lower part. This red color is called the left atrium and the right side is called the right atrium. And the partition between the chambers helps to avoid mixing up of blood rich in oxygen with the blood rich in carbon dioxide. And this is called the left ventricle, and that side is called the right ventricle. See, there are the valves in between the upper and lower chambers to avoid a mixing up of blood rich in oxygen with a blood rich in carbon dioxide. Let us learn about the functioning of the circulatory system in the next class. So let us end up the class here. Thank you.